having a high energy, joyous feeling to you is magnetic. And when you're magnetic, people are drawn to you. People are more likely to trust you. People are more likely to like you. And in this business, you know that trust and like is so important when it comes to taking care of everyone's beloved furry family members. I like to get up and actually do this after I meditate in the mornings. It sounds corny, but I'll get on my rebounder, I'll turn up some loud, happy, feel good music, and I'll just balance and sing and dance to it at the same time because it sets the entire tone for the day. Happy music activates the brain's reward circuitry and releases dopamine, the same neurotransmitter that's involved in motivation, pleasure, and drive, which increases your alertness. It increases your mood, and it gives you more motivation to engage in tasks like meeting another new customer, even when you didn't feel like it 5 minutes ago. So don't laugh, don't knock it until you try it. And who knows, if you have family around, you might even lift up their day at the same time. I know it makes all the dogs happy in the house when I do it. Which brings me to the conclusion, which is how will your pet business benefit from becoming more aware of and increasing your mojo, enhancing your energy field? Becoming extremely magnetic. Number one, the more aware you are of your energy, the less anxiety you'll experience and the more joy you'll have. Number two, your energy is going to rub off on all of your customers, both human and furry, making them more manageable to work with and probably more fun as well. Number three, you're going to attract more ideal customers, people who are of a higher energy field on a more regular basis, people who regulate their emotions, who are less likely to lash out at you and go off on the smallest inconsequential things. Number four is challenging situations will just go a lot smoother and typically end in more positive outcomes, making sure that you don't get any bad reviews. And number five is you are so much more likely to win a new customer over with good mojo, good energy, even if your prices are higher than all of your competitors. So the choice is yours. You can do yourself, your customers, and your pet business a favor by implementing these tiny, short practices. Or you can continue doing business as usual and having, low key, okay days and expecting different results. Your energy is your secret weapon. And just like a hammer, you can use it for ill or you can use it for good. So use it to build the pet business of your dreams and the life that you deserve.